to my soul, me, no hesitate, tell you what you want.
Chandra, back with another video. So in my last video, you guys saw me install this bob wig from Supernova hair. And so of course I've slept on it since then and stuff. So I was thinking, like, when I woke up this morning, it was like no longer a bunk, but it kind of flipped out. And I was like, OMG, everyone is doing like this flipped out bob look all on like YouTube and Instagram. So I was like, let me show you guys how I would do it. As you can see, like, I'm literally combing it and it's already flipping out. So it literally doesn't take much. This is what happens when you sleep on bobs. It's nappy. Okay, anyway, so as you can see, it's already pretty much flipped out, but I'm just going to make it look a little better, and I'm going to define the part a little bit more. And yeah, so if you want to see me do this 90s inspired flip out bob. Okay, so first off, I'm going to take my hot comb. You guys, as you if you watched the last video, I could not find it in my last video, but I found it this time. So I'm just going to do that so that I can make sure that my part is defined. Like I said in my last video, I don't pluck my wigs. I need to, but I'm lazy, but I don't. So it's important that whenever I part it, and thankfully this is like I think it's a 13 by 4 or 13 by 6 lace closure, probably 4. That's about 4 inches, probably 4, 13 by 4 lace frontal. So yeah, I just look. These, I think these are my own baby hairs, y'all. Like, y'all know my hairline low, so I don't know. But anyway, so after I press it, I'm just going to take some heat protectant just so my hair don't smell like burnt hair. Put that through. Make sure that goes all the way through the hair. And I'm just going to start taking sections and flipping them out. Super easy. I feel like I look a little bit older with shorter hair. Was that what I was going for? Not exactly, but at least I don't look 12 like I normally do. But I washed like all my wigs last night, so I'll be back to long hair soon. It's super easy. Okay, so now that I have flipped all of the hair out, you could leave it like this, which is super cute, or I'm going to add these pins that I got from the beauty bar. If you guys don't remember, I did a haul for their clothes, for their boutique. I'll have the information in the description box below. But basically they say sorry boys. So I'm just going to, sorry boys. So I want to put those on this side over here. And yeah, I think this is it. Sorry, they're working on our water outside. Okay, so this is pretty much the final look. I kind of want to put some powder in my part though. So I'm going to take my Black Radiance Contour Palette, the medium to dark one. And I'm going to use this sculpting color in the middle and define my part a little bit. There we go. Just to make it look a little bit more natural. And then I'm going to take brushes and some Gorilla Snot and do these baby hairs. I find out I get the best results whenever I blend my baby hairs with the wig's baby hairs. I don't know. I just have a low hairline on my temples, so they just gonna be out. There's nothing I can do. Okay, and this is the final look. It was super easy, super quick. Literally took me like 5 minutes. So yeah, if you guys like this video, then make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And also I will have the information for this hair and these pins down in the description box below. I want to thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye guys.